fryer seems to be the new trend and hottest new kitchen gadgets of 2019. This kitchen gadget allows you to make your favorite frying menu with much less calorie by reducing the use of oil. You can also make your favorite frying street food snack using these kitchen gadgets at your home. On today's video, we have listed some best affordable air fryer deals 2019. Amazon 4-in-1 Smart Oven. This Amazon Smart Oven is supported by Alexa, so you can use this air fryer with voice command. It also included an auto cooking foods based on cloud downloaded instructions. This $230 kitchen gadget is available on the US. The price also includes an Amazon Echo Dot, which is pretty much a good deal for beginner users. GoWise Digital Air Fryer. This kitchen gadget is sold for under $100. It also features a 3.7 quart capacity and offers a temperature range of 180 to 400 Fahrenheit degrees. This air fryer also comes with built-in touchscreen menu that features 8 cooking presets, which includes fries, chicken, pork, steak, shrimp, fish, pizza, and cake. It also features a built-in alarm so you will not forget when you should turn your food over. Sadly, this GoWise isn't dishwasher safe, but it features a non-stick pan so you can clean up the gadget in no time. New Wave Versatile Brio Air Fryer. This air fryer is sold for just under $100. This new Wave Brio features a digital touchpad, which used to control the temperature and time. This digital air fryer also offers a wide temperature range of 100 to 390 Fahrenheit degree, and you can also select one of the 5-degree increments to ensure accurate cooking. The 3-quart removable drawer and food basket are made with durable non-stick coating and is dishwasher safe, so you can clean up this gadget in no time. Philips Digital Air Fryer. This $350 unique air fryer design comes with starfish shape on the bottom of the fryer, which claims can help air circulations and heat distributions. This fryer also has preset programs for popular dishes like frozen fries, meat, fish, and chicken. The digital screen also allows you to customize the time and temperature, so you can cook your favorite menu on your preferred cooking time. This air fryer can grill, bake, and roast, and even features a double rack make use your cooking effort. This fryer also has a removable non-stick coated drawer and food basket that are both dishwasher safe. Black Plus Decker Purify Air Fryer. This $150 air fryer features a dual convection fan that combines heat and hot air to cook your favorite fried food. This bed doesn't feature a digital touchscreen. It does have a dial temperature control that ranges from 175 to 400 Fahrenheit degree and a 60 minutes timer that automatically shuts off when it is done cooking. This air fryer only has a 2-quart-liter capacity, so it is best suited for snacks and small meals for people who live alone. The non-stick basket and separator on this gadget are dishwasher safe.